Today I'm going to show you how to add a nested card in a Gamma presentation in just a few simple steps. This is a really useful feature if you want to keep your content organized, make your presentation more interactive, and create sections that can expand or collapse when needed. If you work with Gamma often, this is one of those small tools that can make a big difference in how clean and polished your presentations look. If this video helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this. Now, let's jump right in. First, log into your Gamma account. Once you're inside the platform, look for the presentation where you want to insert the nested card. If you already have an existing deck open, simply select that presentation so you can edit it directly. If you're starting from the dashboard, click into the right project or presentation file. Now that your presentation is open, go to the section or card where you want the nested card to appear. This is important because the nested card will be placed inside the main card you are currently working on, so make sure you click into the exact area where you want the structure to be added. Next, type /nested card. Just enter /nested card and then press enter on your keyboard. Gamma will automatically recognize the command and create the nested card for you. You do not need to manually build it from scratch or drag in extra elements. The shortcut does the work instantly, which makes this process fast and easy. Once you press enter, you'll see the nested card appear right inside the main card. That means the content is now connected to the parent card, keeping everything neatly grouped together. This is especially helpful when you want to hide extra details until the viewer needs them, or when you want to organize information into layers instead of showing everything at once. You can also expand or collapse the nested card as needed. That makes your presentation easier to navigate and gives you more control over how information is displayed. If you're building a detailed presentation, this feature helps keep the layout clean while still allowing you to include more depth. And that's it, you've now added a nested card in Gamma presentation. It only takes a few seconds once you know the shortcut, and it's a great way to make your slides more structured and interactive. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next Gamma tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.